what's up? Yeah, you guys, so we're vlogging today. I just decided to vlog. There's Bertha right there on the bed. Okay, we're gonna do the whisper challenge plus vlog. I don't know if that's gonna be like 2 separate videos or whatever, but just wait and see. Yo, this room is trash right now, it's messy, so I'm gonna clean it up really quick. Okay, let's get to cleaning up this room. So I finished cleaning the room. No, I'm not done yet. I cleaned this portion of the room right here. But Bertha, she didn't help me at all. At all. Now I'm heading to the gym. I already got, the gym outfit on, whatever. And Bertha's going to the school because, here, she'll tell you. She'll tell you. So, where are you going, Bertha? To Benihana's. Ow. Oh, it hurts. To school and attempt to do other people's makeup. I ain't no professional, but they like how I do my makeup, so because I like natural makeup. So this is like my glam, a little bit of foundation, some concealer, yeah, I'm gonna put powder over this so it's gonna become a little bit darker because gotta represent how I want my dark skin tone to go away. But going to school to do our friends' makeup and stuff because we're gonna go out to eat with her tonight. So I'm doing my makeup first. Get it out of the way. Okay, and I'm heading to the gym with my cousin, so I'm gonna switch over to my iPhone to vlog. I should put the mic on this. So I'm gonna be vlogging on my iPhone because I'm not gonna drag this camera to the gym. But okay, see you in a little bit. So just went to 7-Eleven to buy some water for the gym. This is Joe right here, my cousin. What up? Yo, the cons, of living in a Haitian household. Your clothes will always smell like food.
Man, Haitian food on me, man. We about to kill that workout, you feel me?
It's a nice day today, and look at this crowd. So I just finished putting on my outfit and don't mind this because I pinned it because it was my body's in proportion, okay guys? My top, I have no boobs, but I have ass, so all these things don't fit properly. And yeah, it's okay, it's whatever, but my hair didn't come out like I wanted to. I'll show you guys afterwards, but right now I'm just leaving out my edges. Well, that's what happens when you have 4C hair. You can't always slick it down when you want to. But see you in a little bit. You know?
I'm dead. I'm dead, man. I'm waiting
2
for more,
hours.
man.
2-hour workout. Ooh, sore man already. So I'm gonna go home, go shower,
And eat.
and eat. Go
Gotta
to
eat,
dinner.
man.
Alright, peace. I can vlog and drive. If you don't have a messy kitchen, you ain't cooking.
Gun up caliber full pit. Gun bal buim ayok.
Get a dark window paint. Your house, it's like dark.
Oh no, it depends on how you fry it. That doesn't depend on the plantain.
Oh,
Depends on how you fry it. Yeah.
Oh, this is how
You're
we fry
deep
our
frying.
plantains.
You're deep frying pan. We don't deep fry.
Oh, you don't deep
What
fry.
do you do with it?
They like
We-
they put it like
It has
I'm
to be like
vlogging you,
surface.
by the way.
yeah.
Put a
So,
little
It has to
oil
be
on
like
it.
sort of
Yeah.
temperature to it.
so we deep fry. That's why.
So next time, don't deep fry your plantains. So we're back home, you guys. The vlog has come to an end. It's 2 a.m. right? Okay, so thank you for watching the video. So like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video, you guys. Peace.